was some excitement over a Doc McStuffins Winnie the Pooh crossover. So, I mean, they used to do crossovers a lot back in the day, and they're starting to do it again now with the superhero shows and stuff. But that was some genuine excitement of a cartoon crossover. I will say this, if nobody else watches my vlogs other than Emery, I'll be happy. She is my biggest fan. She watches all the vlogs as I edit, and she tells me what she likes and doesn't like. Call me. Oh, him too. So I have two of the biggest fans, which honestly, thinking about it now, these vlogs are like our family videos, right? Like my dad has tons of VHSs full of stuff that we've done all together, and this is kind of like my VHS library at this point. So, hey. So I'm gonna keep it going. You know, subscribers or not, it doesn't matter really at this point. It's more for myself and my family, and that doesn't mean I don't want you to subscribe. Subscribe, like, all that stuff, guys. Say subscribe and like. Say like. Say subscribe. Can you say like and subscribe? Okay, they're not the best of fans, but they're fans. I get asked all the time, Jorge, how do you not lose your kids? And I tell them one simple thing. Just throw them in a basket with an iPad, and pretty much you can find them anywhere. All jokes aside, she jumped in there herself. It's also full of Tsum Tsums. Good morning. So we're all eating breakfast, and these guys are hankering for something, so that's what we got for them. Chicken feet. Supposedly it's good for their breath, so. Wait, Sky, stop. Skylar, stop. That's rock, Sky. There you go. Oh, get out of here. I'll just munch on those things. Might be really good. I don't know. I'm gonna try one later. What's really cool is the kids have been really digging going outside to play in the little park area, so it's been great. We've been going out and just chilling and getting our workout in. Sweet.
Help! Help! Help!
Help!
I'm gonna go that way.
Which way? Are we going? So our neighbor just got one of those Mustang GT 350s, and oh my god, it's beautiful. Didn't want to record, he's new to the neighborhood, so, but I'll make sure I get a snippet of his car. He's just cleaning it right now. But anyways, back to the walk. What you doing? Oh, eating some snacks?
Yeah. Eat some chips.
Oh, thank you, sir. Super good. Hey, look, Mimi's here.
You finish.
Go ahead, finish.
Oh yeah. It does. I didn't have to tilt it. That's why. Go. 1, 2, 3. Cheers.
So the walk continues. But yeah, so today we're going to be watching the newest installment of Fast and Furious, and I cannot wait. Me and Anthony, which is my best friend, he's been on the vlog a couple times. He's going to come meet me. We're going to go get some beers at the Chili's that's right next to the movie theater, and then go watch the movie. Me and him have been watching these movies since the first one came out in 2001, I think, which is the year we graduated from high school. And dang, we're 16 years later watching the next one together again. All of them we watched together, so it's been awesome. I'll get you, Mimi. Huh? Oh, the sewer. Who lives there? Ninja Turtles? Alright, come on, let's go. I get you, Mimi. Seems to never fail. The kids always want to bring their things, and then I end up having to carry it. Anyways, such a beautiful day.
Whoa, you did it. You too, Mimi.
So Nick's always been wanting to teach the kids soccer, so let's do it. Good job, Mimi. So, Em really wanted to go out to play again. I told her, just give me 5 more minutes. I was editing a vlog from yesterday. Just wanted to finish. I was almost done. And then she fell asleep on my leg. She's like, ow. So, guess we're not going out anymore. So I'm just cleaning up the kitchen right now. Nick and Em are actually taking a nap. Arden's just chilling. But real quick, so this bottle, it makes me sad. We actually bought this when we first moved into the house. And until now, I ran out. And that refills this. That's been over like 2.5 years. This bottle has lasted me. So Mrs. Meyer's cleaning day, or clean day. This is not paid ad or anything. Freaking amazing, and it smells great. So Target has it, or I think they have I'm sure they have a website. Anyways, that was it. So like I was saying, me and Anthony have been watching these movies since 2001. I think Fast and Furious Part 1 we watched maybe 3-4 times in the theater. And then I remember Too Fast Too Furious, we watched it at least 3 times. Tokyo Drift at least another 3 times. And then after that, of course, we started getting older, so couldn't really watch so many times. But always were into these movies. So Are they cheesy? Probably, but who cares? They're good action movies and it's a bit of a tradition. So if you think about it, first one came out in 2001 and now we're in 2017. 16 years that me and my bro have been doing this. It's crazy. So just waiting for him. He should be pulling up soon. But before the movie, I'm gonna get a couple drinks. Might as well, right? There was a time when we would drive cars that made sense.
To the franchise. Do it fast. You never had it a bike? No, I don't think I have.
Alright, got our drinks and now we're here at the movie theater about to watch Fast and Furious. Let you guys know how it goes. I'm hoping it's good. Maybe. I gotta record real quick. So that happened. Alright everybody, just finished the movie. It was what you would think it is, a Fast and Furious movie. Fun as hell. Had a great time with my buddy Ant. Much love to you, bro, as always. And with that, as always, you've been awesome. Don't ever change. Have a great night. Oh, real quick, let me explain the popcorn. So Anthony was bumping my shoulder because we were just talking crap during the whole movie, and I lost a grip on the popcorn, and I fell all over the floor. We're like 15 minutes into the movie, and we could not stop busting up. But we missed some crucial parts because of it, but memories. Peace.